Well done, because you've just blocked the road now, haven't you? Thank you very much. Look at me, so I can give you evil looks. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I want to make sure you see my evil eyes staring at you. You're going to go on the curb, aren't you? Fair enough. At least you're out my way. Not bad. Is that car parked, or is it waiting to go? I don't know. There's someone in it.
Yeah.
There's somebody in that car, Maisie Moo. Is it waiting to go, or is it actually parked there like an idiot? I think, Maisie Moo, I think you might be right. It might be parked there like an idiot. Oh no, don't cry. It's alright, baby girl. Is that car parked, Maisie Moo? Wow, there's some good parking about today, isn't there? Yeah, there is. Lovely parking. Here's a woman driving a truck. Not bad. Not bad. I know, that's something you don't see every day, is it? Women driving trucks. You go, girl. You go, girl. Ooh, I know. Some more excellent parking. Yay. Excellent parking everywhere today, Maisie Moo. Dada, excellent parking. Yeah. Yeah. What is it doing? Why did it just slam on its brakes for no reason, the prick? Oh. Oh.
That's why.
That's why.
Red light.
Was it?
Yeah.
I missed that one. Yeah, this is. Ooh! Whoa! You ain't seen, you nearly killed us.
What do you mean? You nearly killed it?
No, he nearly killed us.
No, you nearly killed it.
I'm driving down the road, he flew into me, dickhead. Should we go and buy you a toy, Maisie Moo? Oh, this is the same one. I did it last time. I'll find the video. Come on then, speed up, man. Ugh. It's done it again. It's pulled out in front of me. Is it going to speed up or not? Better than last time. Better than last time. Bing, bing, bing. That's the reason you don't reverse out of your driveway. Yes, Maisie Moo. That's right.
Where we going?
Look at it, look at it, look at it.
I know.
Disgusting, disgusting.
Calm down.
Yes.
It's got to be a woman driver.
Why?
Because it's got flowers and it's got a thing, flowery thing around its mirror piece.
Just growl at it. Louder.
Grrrrr.
Thank you.
We're going to be here for a very long time.
No, we're not. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Cheers, my lovely, you absolute beautiful person. Thank you. Nah, we're going to be here for a while.
Yep. Oh, that lady had to go on the road with her child in the buggy.
Why?
Because she couldn't get through on the path because of the van.
Oh, dickhead. Oh, come on, drive your car. Accelerate past 11 miles an hour. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you gotta love them people that stop in the middle of the road and then indicate to let everyone know what their plan is. You gotta love them prats, aren't you? Is that a parked car? There's so much wrong with that parking. Wow. Oh, I can't even be bothered today. Cannot be bothered. Clap your hands, Alexi. Thank you.
You always do that there.
Move over. Move over. I swear, some people must think they drive in tanks or buses or something. Monster trucks.
I'm trying to work out with the cameras too and the thing. It is just there.
Oh, that was a last minute decision, wasn't it? Oh dear, he's a driving instructor, Alexi.
He is a driving instructor.
Wow.
There's nobody else in the car.
I know.
Fuck's wrong with
If
him?
your driving instructor does that,
Yeah.
don't go with that driving instructor.
Oh, I know.
Cool. Ooh, old car spotted. Look at that. You can always tell just by looking at a car how much they care for it. Look at the state of that thing. Oh, he's only got one brake light as well. Super.
Oh, not anymore now.
That was a red light one.
It was a red
Good
light.
job we weren't actually crossing. Go wide. There's only a tiny little car as well. There's some weirdos about today, Maisie Mill. There's some proper freaky little beans. Yeah, there is. There is. Oh, we got another one. Look. Well, it'd be much easier if anyone. Yeah, I know, Maisie Mill. If anyone's wondering, what am I? Hey, Maisie Mill. Yeah. If anyone's wondering why I'm picking on people that are reversing, that it's so much easier to just reverse into the space than it is to block the road trying to get back out. It's so much easier. Please don't reverse out of spaces because it's just stupid. It's stupid. Official dcb Bristol statement. Official statement is stupid. Yeah. Baby, there's a baby for sale if anyone wants her. Baba, yeah, you're for sale, baby girl. Yeah.
Navigation door is open. Please close the navigation door.
Oh, well, I do beg your pardon. I am awfully sorry. If I want my navigation door open, I'll leave it open. Shut up. How dare you? I don't even know what you're chatting about. What do you mean the navigation door is open? What are you on about, woman?
Navigation door is open. Please close the navigation door.
Okie dokie. You're one of those, are you? Okay, that's fine.
Don't get too close.
Disgusting. Get away from it. Get away from it. Properly hate them things now. It's not fun. It's not funny, Maisie Mill.
Oh dear. Can't they stay on their own side of the road?
Nay. Look at it. Look at it. Disgusting. I don't know. I didn't know what you're saying. I'm trying to understand you. I don't know. I don't know what that means. Yeah. If you would use your big words, like a big girl, I would understand. Yeah, like a big baba, I would understand you then. But at the moment, I don't know what you're saying. Okay.
Over and back.
Yeah, I can't go over.
But then you're not neutral.
Is that...
No, that's not neutral.
Where's neutral? Ah! Oh, look at the birdies coming out.
No, you can't.
Are we just skidded?
Yeah, we're going sideways.
Mate, stop!
Never again.